Hello guys and welcome to Nailist. Today we're going to be doing some Christmas nails that I think they turned out pretty good, so I hope you enjoy them as much as I did. So before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel to see more. I've already done the prep work here, pushed back the cuticles and trimmed them, and I'm putting a dehydrator on and a peel-off base coat from Manicures. This is helping my nails pop off whenever I'm changing them. I will be using this mini LED lamp from Model 1s that I've connected to my power bank. And we're going to be putting on some jelly tips that are in a coffin shape. Not too long, but not short either. I'm going to be putting them on with some polygel from Manicures as well. I'm really enjoying this part. Whatever extras, I just swipe them off with my pusher. Honestly, this is the most satisfying part of this process. And now I'm going to be using this cuticle bit to erase where the natural nail meets the fake nail here. And give them a little filing. Now I get rid of all the dust with some cleanser. And let the fun begin. We're going to be starting with some red for Christmas. This is going to be a classy manicure. I'm going to give that to 3 of my nails. I'll give my ring finger and my thumb a milky white. I'm curing and I'm putting some Aurora powder or mermaid. I'm not sure what's the difference, but yeah. And on my thumb I'm putting some metallic cat eye. And it turned out so good. And on top of that shimmery powder, I put this shimmery white, and it turned out looking like pearl. I'm giving my red nails some top coat. And this one, because I really liked them, but it wasn't really matching this ring finger. Now I'm looking at them and looking at them again, and it didn't really match. So I removed the top coat from ring finger and put some of the cat eye so that it matches my thumb. And I'm happy. Nail art time. We're going to be giving our ring finger a nice realistic Christmas tree. And I saw this technique, you kind of like bob brush it, kind of. I used 3 different shades of green to give it some depth. And I flash cured in between. Now I got this little darker shimmery green and gave it a little more definition on the branches. And they turned out pretty good so far. I'm wiping it off and giving it some snow in between the branches, and that gave it an insane amount of depth. It looked so good. One more paint details, and I'm putting some top coat so that we put the ornaments on. There's no right or wrong here, honestly. It's like decorating your own tree. Now that I was editing the video, I thought maybe some shimmer or some garland would be great, but I didn't think of it at that point. For a thumb, we're going to turn our thumb into a present, and the present needs a bow. So the bows I got from Shein, they came in these colors that were kind of like orange and stuff. So I filed off the bottom and I painted it with red, and it turned out to be pretty good. Okay, you have to get a really difficult decision here, and I messed up, but I'm trying again. There we go, making it a little thicker. I flash skirt between the vertical and the horizontal line. And now I'm putting some of my top coat on and placing the bow. Make sure it's centered. Pretty. And now I'm putting some more of the red so that it matches the rest of my nails. And putting some top coat on. And this is what we got. Honestly, I'm in love. It is so easy to make, and it looks so beautiful and realistic. Putting some cuticle oil on, and we're ready for a photo shoot. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did, and don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more of the videos I make. I will be happy to see you on the next one. Take care everyone, happy holidays, and have a lot of fun. See you guys on the next one. Peace.
She addicted to the manicures and coffee. But don't say that, cause she ain't that. No, she is more than she seems. She addicted to the manicures and coffee. But don't say that, cause she ain't that. No, she is more